Welcome back to the Science of CBD. I'm Gene Bruno, Professor of Nutraceutical Science at Huntington University of Health Sciences, formulator of Twin Lab products, and your host. In today's podcast, we're going to discuss CBD dosing and using more than one CBD product at the same time. Now let's start with sort of the obvious issue of safety. How much CBD is too much? Okay, so research has been conducted using hundreds of milligrams of CBD. And at those high doses, there are sometimes gastrointestinal side effects such as diarrhea and nausea. But much lower doses, in let's say the 15 to 50 milligram range, are not typically associated with side effects and have a pretty good safety profile. So if your sum total of CBD adds up from different products, adds up to 15 to 50 milligrams, you're going to be just fine. Now, perhaps the best way to address dosing and combining the use of CBD products is to give some real examples using actual branded products. For this purpose, I'll use Twin Lab CBD products, and they can be the examples. So let's start with CBD Daily. This product contains 20 milligrams of CBD from a CO2 critical extraction of hemp. And that is, by the way, an organic and non-GMO hemp. Okay, so it provides that, and it also provides 5 milligrams of beta-caryophyllene. Now, beta-caryophyllene is it's another cannabinoid, another phytocannabinoid. It's different from CBD. The difference is that one of the differences is that CBD helps to activate what is known as the CB1 receptor. There's two major receptors and some other minor ones. But CBD helps activate that CB1 receptor. But beta-caryophyllene helps to activate the CB2 receptor. What that means is you get greater overall activity, and that is known as the entourage effect, and it's been cited in the literature, which is why it's better to have different cannabinoids together instead of just one all by itself. Okay, now, understanding that, let's take a look at the second, and let me just say this. So CBD Daily can help support just, a broad range of functions that the endocannabinoid system does, and it can be taken daily, hence the name CBD Daily. Okay, now, CBD Stress. That contains 15 milligrams of CBD plus 5 milligrams of beta-caryophyllene, so a total of 20 milligrams of cannabinoids. And it contains an herb that's referred to as a venetron, as well as an amino acid GABA. And that combination together and those nutraceuticals individually have been shown in clinical research to help reduce stress and help reduce stress-induced anxiety. And that's without CBD. So all by itself, it's going to work. But when combined with CBD, the effect is potentially greater. And research shows that 25 milligrams of CBD is good for stress and stress-induced anxiety. So if you're using CBD Daily together with CBD Stress, that's actually highly recommended, and it'll provide at least the recommended dose of CBD to help with stress and stress-induced anxiety. Okay, another product, CBD Sleep, also contains 15 milligrams CBD and 5 milligrams beta-caryophyllene. In addition, this contains lactium, which is a special type of casein hydrolysate, a certain kind of protein fraction that's derived from milk. It also contains the herb ashwagandha as an extract. Now, both of these have been shown in clinical research to help promote sleep. Again, that is without CBD. But once again, combined with CBD, the effect is potentially greater. And as with stress, research shows that 25 milligrams of CBD is good for helping to promote sleep. So again, you can see where a combination of more than one CBD product could be beneficial. You could use the CBD Sleep together with the CBD Daily or other CBD products and get a good amount of CBD to help you with your goals. Okay, finally, we have a product called CBD Relief. Now, this also has 15 milligrams CBD and 5 milligrams of beta-caryophyllene, but it contains 2 probiotics at doses shown in research to be effective, and it contains the herb the herbal extract Boswellia. Now, in research, these have been shown to help relieve pain and inflammation due to overexertion. So, again, that was without CBD. And again, combined with CBD, the effect is potentially greater. But something that should be understood is that higher levels of CBD may in fact be indicated in some, let's call it extreme overexertion situations. Now, Christian Griffith was previously a guest on the Science of CBD, and Christian is an ultramarathon athlete who he ran across the entire USA to raise money for charity. He ran so many miles each day that at night, the pain in his legs made it really difficult to get to sleep. So what he needed was not just a sleep aid. He needed something to help with the pain so that he could get to sleep. The only thing that helped him was to use CBD, but he used 50 milligrams, not 25 or 15, because of the extreme situation that he had put himself in. And it worked really well. So this is a really good example for how combining CBD daily with CBD relief is likely to yield better results. So to conclude and put it all together, anywhere from, let's say, 15 to 50 milligrams of CBD is generally safe and effective for most people. Combining CBD supplements that yield a combined amount of CBD in this range is likely to provide especially good efficacy. So, thanks again for joining us on another episode of the Science of CBD. If you enjoy what you learned, make sure to hit like and subscribe. For more information about CBD or to sign up for our newsletter, visit www.twinlabcbd.com. Thank you.